My name is Shazana Zulfikar Ali and I belong to National University of Sciences and Technology. I am a final year student and it's a great honor for me and my team members to be selected as the third position holders for the recently conducted event by the IEEE. The idea of the event was to select research papers presented by undergraduates of Pakistan. It gave us the opportunity to present an idea to the people from industry and academia. The advantage we got was that our paper was selected as the best one, and we can share our ideas with everyone. Our idea basically was the simulation of a variable speed drive. This drive would control the speed of induction motor, three-phase induction motor. We faced many challenges along with the procedure. We've been working on it for quite a while, for months actually, and we faced many challenges. Firstly, we don't have the underlying the literature available for the product that we are trying to make, since it's available only in the modular form and it is to be imported from other countries. However, we searched, and teachers and faculty members of our university, especially Dr. Arshad, who was our supervisor for this project, he shared with us his expertise and managed to get it along well. Right now we are in the simulation stage, but in a few months we would interface it with controller, with all the hardware. We plan to control it using FPGA, but it can be controlled using other methods such as microcontrollers, which have been conventionally used, and or PLCs, any such device, so that it can be made into an off-the-shelf device and placed according to any motor which is being used in the industry for any type of boat. You just have to put in the parameters of the motor and it will do the work for you.
Actually, there are a lot of speed drives available in the industry already, but the problem is they are not manufactured indigenously. They have to be exported from the international manufacturers, and they're only supplied to our industry. So it's very expensive. It's a very expensive alternative, and that's why the drives are very, very expensive. So our idea is basically, when we are manufacturing it over here only, so it would be a bit cheaper and very cost effective. Other than that, we have the modules are like off-the-shelf modules, and at times we have problems with interfacing that drive with the motor itself. But in our product, it's actually customizable for the very motor it's being connected to. So the interfacing challenges are neglected, actually eliminated. Actually, we have not approached the industries yet, but the IEEE seminar actually gave us a very strong platform, because many industrialists and many people from the industries came and saw our presentation and actually had a look at what we are making. So apart from that, once we have interfaced it and we have completed it, we'll inshallah try to approach the industries and sell it out as a product.
Basically, the challenges were that the information required for all these speed drives, they are manufactured abroad, internationally. Here in Pakistan, you just buy them, they are in modular forms. You can just get them off the shelf and use them for your particular motor. But obviously, because it's not been manufactured here, you cannot get all the technical details here as well. So getting all the information required, we used obviously internet to get all the information. So that was a challenge, obviously. The guidance in university is also obviously limited, because something which is not done before, obviously you cannot get a lot of guidance for that. Our idea is MATLAB simulation of a speed controller for three-phase induction motor, and I am Aska Khalil, and with me were my two classmates, Shazana Zulfikar and Sumaya Wahid. We are all in semester 8 of electrical engineering, and with us we are doing it with our faculty member, Dr. Arshad Aziz, and he is teaching at NUST at our college.